First of all, I'd like to thank Woody and his team for a wonderful conference and a wonderful evening. I'm sure all of you will remember Jack Hanna, and I don't have videos, I don't have live animals. I do have a picture of my pug on my phone I can show you. He's a great guy, he's my buddy. I just want to thank you for all that you do, Parks. You know, life is just fast right now, and I don't think we're going to stop. We're not going to slow it down. People need parks to depressurize, and they need it ever more now than ever. So thank you for all you do. And now for the announcement of the 2011 OPRA Governor's Award winner is the City of Green Veterans Memorial Park.